Oh my God, bro, this dog is an idiot. Shut up! There's a whole pack of lions following the sound of your voice. Shut up! First day as king, you know how to get my boy Simba right with the fresh cut, crispy line of fresh braids. Yeah, my boy looking real gangster. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, that dog is cooked. How he get inside the... Oh, I'm bugging. I didn't know that he was thugging. Man, I'm gonna miss you, Simba. You getting released back to the jungle, king. You ready? Oh, hell no. Hey, yo! Oh, that boy a freak. Oh, that shit stink. Damn, that shit stink. She boofing.